Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting immediate access to the cabin filter housing. Remove items from the glove box and either fold it down or take out the two retaining screws. This exposes the rectangular cover. Once visible, press the small tabs on the cover. These release the housing. You'll feel them click. Make sure to wear gloves to keep dirt off your hands and keep the old filter upright so debris doesn't spill into the HVAC ductwork. You now remove the old filter carefully. Unclip the housing cover and pull it straight out. Don't twist because you can tear the foam seals. Slide the filter out slowly. Note the airflow arrow printed on the frame so you install the new one the same way. Once removed, visually inspect the box. Debris accumulates in the lower corner. Use a shop vacuum or damp cloth to clear dust because cleaner housing ensures better airflow and longer filter life. You finish by placing the new filter into the slot with the airflow arrow pointing toward the cabin. This ensures correct filtration and blower efficiency. Push the filter fully into its channel, then snap the cover back in place until both tabs click. Make sure seals sit flush. Once done, close the glove box and start the car. Run the AC on high to verify steady airflow and no rattles. If you hear buzzing or reduced flow, stop, remove the cover, and receive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.